As opposed to English, where the verb to lose has two meanings, in Hebrew, we have two separate verbs to translate them, and in this tutorial, I'll discuss them both. Let's start off with the verb le'abed. This verb means to lose something, like your keys, your wallet, your children, and yourself. Let's look at some examples. איבדתי את המפתחות שלי. I lost my keys. I used a verb in the past tense, which is usually the tense we're using this verb in after we realized we lost something important. Obviously, you can also use this verb in the present and in the future. Examples: אני מאבד את זה לגמרי. I'm totally losing it, meaning I'm totally losing my mind. This is in the present form. את תאבדי את התיק שלך ככה. You will lose your bag that way. A second way to form this sentence in the future: את הולכת לאבד את התיק שלך ככה. You're going to lose your bag that way. Moving on, let's talk about a person getting lost. Here, we'll conjugate the verb ללכת and add on the word לאיבוד. Examples: הלכתי לאיבוד בקניון. I got lost in the mall. This is in the past tense. Or, הכלב שלי הלך לאיבוד. My dog went missing. In the present tense, אני הולכת לאיבוד עם כל החומר למבחן. I'm getting lost with all the material for the exam. In the future, בלי המפה הזו הם ילכו לאיבוד. Without this map, they'll get lost. Sticking with this topic, in Judaism, we have a very important good deed of hashavat aveda, meaning returning a lost item to whoever lost it. A very sad word that derives from the verb le'abed is lehit'abed, meaning to get yourself lost. In order not to get demonetized, and in order to keep this channel family friendly, I'll just say that this is the verb you'd use when someone tragically takes his or her own life. Let's move on to the next verb, להפסיד. We use this verb when losing a game, losing a war, or losing money to someone else. Let's review some examples. הפסדתי את כל הכסף שלי בבורסה. I lost all my money in the stock market. This is in the past tense. אנחנו תמיד מפסידים כשאנחנו משחקים מול התיכון השני. We always lose when we play against the other high school. This is in the present form. In the future, הם כנראה יפסידו במלחמה הזו. They will probably lose this war. In conclusion, remember that in Hebrew, we have two separate verbs for losing, so please don't lose your cool when trying to master these two important verbs. Until next time, yalla bye!